I'm here this morning with the Cuisinart 4-slice toaster. This thing is awesome when your kids like things differently. So one likes some things more done or less done, or you just need a bunch of stuff ready at one time. It's worked great for us. Have nothing but great things to say. You can just do one slice if you want it here, or 3 or 2, however many, but we're going for the 4 this morning for waffles for a quick breakfast. But we love this toaster and can't recommend it enough.